What's up guys, my name is Austin, back with another video today. We're going to be unboxing the Boya BY-M1 mic. This is a mic that is $19.95, so very cheap on Amazon. It's a lavalier mic that clips to your shirt, and I know the question you're probably asking is, can a mic be any good at $19.95? Well, let's see. First things first, we're going to jump into the unboxing. I'm going to have a card, should be somewhere up here, and you can click on that if you just want to see some of the points of the review. So here's the unboxing. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So as I said earlier in the video, this is on Amazon. It's $19.95 right now. Go ahead and pull this out. Nothing in there. So it comes in a nice little bag. Feels like leather is what it feels like. So you've got a warranty card, and then just your typical introduction book. So we will then pull this out. And look inside of here. There's a nice little silica bag. It's real nice. And here it looks like we've got a battery and a clip, and then a converter or some type adapter. Just go ahead and get this out. So there is the clip. Got the styrofoam little pop filter. That's not styrofoam, but here it is. I've already got one of these because I have a Go XLR, but whatever. And the battery. So that's what's all in the bag. So let's go and get this bad boy out here. So this mic does work with smartphone and cameras, so DSLR cameras. You got a little switch right there. Get it to focus. You got a little switch right there, and you just need to turn it, flip it up for camera, and then you can leave it off for smartphone. Okay. Go and open this up. Show you. This is where the battery goes right there. I'll need to put that in and put this right back on. This is nice metal. Inside there is plastic, so it feels sturdy enough. It's it's a $20 mic, so the cord's not braided or anything nice. It's very thin, but again, $19.95. This is a very, very cheap mic, and I'm actually interested to see how this ends up sounding. I'm gonna do a mic test right after this, and just kind of give you a preview of what to expect from this product. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into that. So for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna keep my voice at a normal level. That's how I'm talking to you right now, and then I'm gonna raise my voice. I'm gonna talk really loud. This way you can hear me very, very loud. That's how I'm talking to you right now, and then I'm gonna raise my voice. I'm gonna talk really loud. This way you can hear me very, very loud, and then I'm gonna talk really, really low. So I'm kind of whispering to you. I'm not talking super loud. You may not be able to hear me very well on the phone, but hopefully this mic picks up a lot better. So let's figure out if it actually sounds any better. And then I'm gonna talk really, really low. So I'm kind of whispering to you. I'm not talking super loud. You may not be able to hear me very well on the phone, but hopefully this mic picks up a lot better. So let's figure out if it actually sounds any better. So I don't know. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? Personally, there's two things that really stand out to me. One is that you really didn't have to talk very loud for the mic to pick you up. It picked you up real well, and it also didn't clip whenever you would speak loudly. It really contained your voice pretty well. I mean, we are talking about a $20 microphone. Like, it's kind of insane how good it is. You could definitely tell the difference between it and the Pixel phone. The Pixel phone, to me personally, sounded a lot more tinny. I definitely felt like there was more like boost and warmth and bass within this Boya mic. I was honestly pretty impressed with considering the price tag. So now on to the cons. One thing that really stuck out like a sore thumb is the wire on this mic is awful. It was instantly wanted to start tying up on me and knotting up on me, and it is already wanting to twist really badly. I honestly would be surprised if this mic lasts more than a couple months, if that, considering that the wire is super thin and it really was curling up on me right out of the box. One thing that Boya does, and that you'll see in the unboxing portion, is it does have a strap that you can put around it to contain some of that. That will probably help the lifespan a little bit, but if you're undoing that and actually taking advantage of the length of the wire, you're gonna probably have issues fairly quickly. What do you expect? It's a $20 mic. I was impressed with the length. I mean, you're talking a solid 6 meters of cable. So that's a long ways for a mic. It clipped on real nice. You had some drawbacks of the Lavalier mic, and that is sounds of your shirt and if you brush anything. But yeah, I mean, honestly, like I said earlier, I'm impressed. The quality for the price is pretty good here. Now, would I recommend this mic? Well, let's put in perspective of who's gonna be buying this mic. You're likely just starting a YouTube channel and you're gonna be making vlogs or tech videos or something like that where you're talking like this. And you wouldn't necessarily have a stationary mic which just sits there because you need to be able to stand up or you need to be able to move or whatever you need to do. If that sounds like you, I would definitely recommend this mic. I think it's a great quality for the price. It's really low barrier to entry. And at the end of the day, that's what everyone wants. And honestly, I don't really think you sacrifice that much quality whenever you're buying a mic like this. It sounds plenty good. It's gonna differentiate you from having the typical cell phone mic, which sounds very tinny. It's gonna make you even look more professional with this on here. So yeah, I hope you guys liked that review. If you did, make sure and drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. It's a lavalier mic. It's a lavalier mic that clips straight to your shirt.